few more people to come on the live, and then we can start. Okay, they're all coming on now. I'd like to welcome everyone for my live tonight regarding pyramid scheme. This will be my 6th video. You can look up on YouTube on all my other videos regarding pyramid scheme that has collapsed in New Zealand, and I think Hawaii as well has collapsed, and other Australia as well. Tonga is no longer doing pyramid, and New Zealand as well. My live tonight, katak for mole mole be te ki talanoa whakapalangi ui ngā ki kakai ko na palangi na nau kau mai ngai kulupu ko eni I'd like to thank God first for giving me the opportunity tonight to come and do this live. This live is all about pyramid scheme that's happened in New Zealand from December, let's say October, November in 2020, and to December 2021 until now. So I'm just going to go through what we need to do to move ahead. So I've done everything else with my last live, and you guys all knew that you had to make your complaint to contact.com.nz government. I mean, yeah, that's for the Commerce if you want to make any complaint. And also, if you wanted to do your refund, you can do a claim at the tribunal, small claim. And so I had my live on that. So I hopefully you have did your application so that you can take your group, the CEO, and whoever you gave your money to, and you can claim. And that claim you can claim from 200 to 30,000 on that claim. At the moment, I got on my post on Tuesday, the 29th of this month. On Tuesday, I've booked a hall, and I would like everybody to attend. It's from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. so that we can move forward and so that we can action and help the Commerce to enforce our complaint towards these 18 groups that I'm dealing with today. Yeah, so that's for all the non-Tongans. Please contact me if you need more information. But I will give you all the groups, and you listen to who you belong to, which group you went and joined, and who you gave your money to. You need to know that. I started this complaint in February, as you all know, with a group named Liwa Manu LM2 Construction in Otahu, and also Melehea Lelevave in Otara. So I only had 2 groups, and I did the complaint to the Commerce with Liwa Manu on the 17th of February. And I was already interviewed by the Commerce of New Zealand regarding that matter, and regarding the matter of Melehea Lelevave's group, which I lost 20,000, and that's why I made the complaint. And many more in our group from Liwa Manu was 300 of us who were promised of $300 registered to another system. But unfortunately, Liwa Manu hasn't paid anybody from February till today. So I'm claiming for Liwa Manu 120,000 to be offered to us if we do go to court. And unfortunately, Melehea, my other group, she was involved because her system collapsed. The 1,000 register and also the 500 register. And then I also made my complaint for my 20,000. I've also made a claim with the Small Dough Bureau to take Melehea and Hami's hair to court, so I can so they can pay me a little bit at a time. I don't mind $5 a week or $20 or $10, but at least they're gonna take responsibility for their action towards my money. My family, my husband's hardworking, and towards me, and it's a lot. 20,000 is a lot of money, and I need Melehea and Hamish here to be accountable for their action. So I'm waiting for Dough Bureau to send me what date is our court case, but that's what I wanted you guys to do. Okay, so Liwa Manu is on my list, will be number 1. That's Liwa Manu LM2 construction. You had to register $300 to Ha'amonga Takeaway in Otahu. That's Liwa Manu's group. Melehea's group on my list is number 2. Melehea, Hemi's hair. Their admin was Andy and Kulupu. They're the one who did that group, Lelevave's group. The CEO is Melehea and her husband Hami's hair. And as you all remember, Melehea had a system for 750 from another group. I will get into that other group with Melehea because that's number 15, that other group. But at the moment, the number 2, that group is Melehea, Hami's hair, and that's number 2 for Lelevave. Number 3 is Biane. Biane is number 3. Biane is Kalia Oiofa, and she has 4 admins, and she also goes by the name of Tapa Advance. She was located at Lambie Drive in Manukau, and that's where you had to go and do your register under the Internal Affair in Manukau, the old one. So I want you guys to remember that one. So Liwa Manu LM2 is number 1. Melehea, Hemi's hair, Lelevave is number 2. As I go by, please write the numbers down, because the number is very important to write down for me, because there's so many groups. And if you want to make a complaint or you want to contact me, you need to go by the numbers of your group so that I know which group you belong to. Okay? Because I did a lot of tidying up. Yeah? So number 3 is Biane, Kalia Oiofa, and Tapa Advance. Number 4 is Beautiful Flowers, and that the CEO for that one is Say La Betty on that one, and she had 2 admins. Beautiful Flower, I think the register for that one was $750, and it was promised to be paid, I think 14 days, 21 days. But you guys will know what the system or how it was, the platform, how it was set up, how you were going to get your payments through these pyramids. Okay, so that's number 4 is Beautiful Flowers. Number 5 is the biggest group that I've been dealing with is the Dulces Limited. As you all know, Dulces Limited was a licensed company. Well, they're not licensed. I want to tell you, everybody here, that New Zealand register will not license anybody that's dealing with pyramid. The only way they're going to get licensed is through trade or something else, or produce products. But there's no register given, like what Toki Tupe is saying today. Toki Tupe is not a register license because they're going through pyramid. So number 4 is Beautiful Flowers, Say La Betty. Number 5 is Dulces Limited. That Dulces Limited, the CEO for that one is Tia Fine. Tia Fine, she's the CEO for that one. And that group has 9 admins. That group was also involved. Melia Meilangi also took the pyramid scheme. They did payouts through that shop, and that shop is through trade. It's not through pyramid. So that's number 5 is Dulces Limited, Melia Meilangi. And the CEO of that one is Tia Fine. And and she has 9 admins. You guys all know who the admin is. There's Luisa, there's Sophie, there's Alisi Havea, there's sorry, I'm just didn't write down all the admins there, but yeah, Tia Fine, her sister, is also involved. And those registration, you guys did it at Melia Meilangi, and you also did it at private homes. Tia Fine's did hers in Manariwa. I can't say any address or give out any information because this is going through a civil matter. So I need to keep everything in hold for the Commonwealth to work on it. At the moment, I do have members that have complained about these team, but at the moment I've also complained regarding all these groups because of Paramount. So number 5 is Dolosis Limited. Number 6 will be Team Bine. That Team Bine was Sione Havasi did the system, and it was given to Leane Mona Kine, and her admin, she had 4 admins. So so at the end of the day, let's just say Sione Havasi is the CEO for that one, because he's the one who created the system and the platform. When I say system and the platform is when they draw up on the board, and then they write up all the how much week, how much you'll get paid, whether you register for Team Bine. I think it was 600, or I don't have the figure, but yeah, you pay them 600, and then you receive 14 days, maybe 2,000 or maybe 3,000, and then 4 payments will be 10,000. So the system and the platform is so that's what I mean about system and platform, because that's how Paramount works. So that's number 6, Team Bine. Number 7 is Princess of Flower. Princess of Flower, she did a 750 register at her home, and she's Princess of Flower. At the moment, I think she's selling perfume to recover from her system that was collapsing. So that's Princess of Flowers, and that's Florence Hanson. That's number 7. So if you're involved in any of these groups, and you're still waiting for refund, or you've been removed from your group chat, I know Team Bine has removed all her members. Kina removed them last night, I think, and the group chat is no longer there. So she's got probably 200, 300 people who don't know where to go. There's no communication from Kina. If you're watching tonight, Kina and Sassy and all your admin teams, I don't know why you guys removed all these members when they came in with their register money and given to you guys. So Team Bine has removed all her group chat, and I think most of the group chat has been removed now. It's June now, so everybody's taken out, and the admins and everybody's saying there's no refund, no money out. Okay, so but don't believe what they're saying. If you have your receipt, you can claim at the small claim, and that claim, it's just you and the person that you had given your money to go to court in the small claim. Okay, so the refund, it'll be the dry bureau in the small court, district court. You make your claim, you pay a small fees. They let you know when your application is approved. But the only you need to have your receipt for proof, and if you don't have your receipt, then you can't claim. Okay, so look for your receipt, make a claim. It's all on my Facebook page, where you make the claim, and that claim is for 300, 200 to 30,000. So if you've gone over 30,000 and you lost all that, if you've gone over 40, you can only claim 30,000. So that's Team Bine. I also want to inform everybody that's watching my live through my Paramount scheme. Don't give up. There's still hope for you guys. There's still hope for all of us regarding refund. But at the moment, for me, I'm not really I'm not really worried about refund. I'm actually worried about these criminals, these pyramid scheme fraudster to come and take action and take responsibility for what they did. They planned a system, did platform and everything, and in their mind it was just to steal from us, and the system collapsed, and it's just bullshit. Yeah. So don't believe anything, and don't go and get involved in any pyramid. And if you're still in a group that's still going through pyramid, and you guys are not getting refunded, and there's a lot of people getting removed, too many excuses, then you can contact me and make a complaint towards that group. And I don't care if they're still refunding people or telling them they're going to get refund. It's going to be the same story. We heard it again and again. We heard it from February that they're going to refund people. Liwa Manu told us in February that he was going to refund us. And it's now June, February, March, April, May, June. It's 5 months. So don't get manipulated and don't believe anything these CEO tells you or the admins, because they're just fake. I actually hate all of them. All these heads. Okay, so Princess of Flower, number 8 is this group is Fetaki Nima. This group is run by a family in Glen Enos, the Pepper family. If you were involved in that group, I need more information regarding this group. Thank you for the person that had made the complaint. So that's number 8, Fetaki Nima, number 8. And that was Fale, the CEO or the person that running that system was Faleako Pepa, and his wife Eleva Pepa, and their daughter Mele Pepa. Okay, so number 9 will be Love Home. This group came in about 2 weeks ago. Somebody had complained about this group, and I can confirm that they did collapse, and that they're still trying to refund people. The same story. Just wait. We're gonna try and refund you guys. So I think this person's got about 500 or 400 members in this group. And that group is Love Home, and I believe that group was ran in Manariwa by a couple. Their name is Kiloni and Moana Masima. That's for number 9, and that's Love Home. Number 10, let's go and give number 10, Gifted Journey. This group was done by Francis Simone and Fred Halafihi. Fred Halafihi, they ran the system, and they had about 4 admins. This system was already collapsed when I think we started in December, but maybe not. So if you have joined that group, please contact me. I need some more information on that group. That group is number 10, Gifted Journey, ran by Francis Simone and Fred Halafihi for that group. Let's give number 11 to Ana Hala Leva Valu. Ana Hala Leva Valu for Nua. Yeah. Those Devita Leka, those negative people there, so don't come here. I've got things to do. If you don't have anything positive, or if you don't need my help through Pyramid, go and have a coffee and just relax, okay? Don't come here and tell me that I went and stole somebody's husband, okay? Get lost. So let's go back to number 11. Number 11 is Ana Halalevalu Fonua and her husband. They did their pyramid scheme at their home, and she's left people, I think 400 people, with no refund. This person never offered the people any receipt. It was just given to nobody offered any receipt for these people. So, yeah, say whatever you want, Te Vitaleka. Go off your fake page, pa ke hu mai mo hingoa totonu a Davy Leka. Yeah? Don't worry, I'm going to write it down, Te tohi lewa hingoa a Davy Leka ke poloka ko, Yeah, so that one's fine. Okay, I don't need anybody to come here and waste my time. You just need to sit there and watch and listen to what I'm saying, okay? So if I see any more people, you know, I'm trying to read this and read that, and all I want to see is something good, yeah? Yeah? So, yeah. Otherwise, I will need to remove that guy, Davy Leka, or the fake. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, let's go. Number 11 is Ana Halaleva Fonua, Hala Eva Valu Fonua. Yeah? And then and Fonua and her husband, they did that they did that system at their home, and she never provided you guys with any receipt, because you know why? Because she didn't want to go into what's happening now. So she was very smart, and you guys were you guys were more smarter than her, because you guys were doing something about it. Okay, so let's do number 12. Number 12 is tu'ukai ai Jose. That's number 12. That complaint came in. It was a team in, I think, Mangry who did that one. Olioni Tui Netoa. Olioni Tui Netoa did that system. Yeah, if you're listening, Olioni Tui Totoa, please give me a call so that we can discuss further about this matter. Why you on my list? Yeah. Number 13, let's give it to Tapuaki Meilangi. This group was run by Liwa Manu's wife, Ola Manu, and she did the system at that same takeaway where her husband did his system, and that registration was for 750. Number 13 is Tapuaki Meilangi. That was Ola Manu. That's Liwa Manu, number 1. So number 1 is Ola Manu's husband, Liwa Manu, and number 13 is his wife. They did the pyramid scheme, both of them. Let's go to number 14. Number 14, we're getting there. We're going to go to number 18, There's 18 groups. Let's go number 14. I'm going to give that to a couple. Mioka La Pale, Bamoviliami La Pale. Okay? If you guys can give me a call again, don't ring me on my phone and start swearing at me, because I didn't make the complaint. These people here. Maioka La Pale, Moviliami La Pale, ke mo te ki telefoni mai ka au, kona mo ilope mo telefoni ke tau ki tala noa ke uhinga mea mo ka se helisi ko ni, Okay, number 15, let's give it to Melehea again. Melehea is just like Liwa Manu. Liwa Manu's got number 1, and his wife has number 13. Okay, so Melehea did another system. Melehea, and she did, her admin was Rosalini Mafi Kaunga Tuofa Vaha. Yeah, that's her admin. This system, Melehea did this system in December, and she had registered for 750, and her group was our it was named our Ujamba team, sharing team. So if you remember that group that Melehea did in December in 2020 for registration of register of 750 for that one. You can contact me regarding that one, because you can still make a complaint, and that you can still claim if you have your receipt. So Melehea has 2 groups. Number 2, her Lelevave group with her husband, hey Miss Hare. And then she also had a group in December in 2020 for another group registered 750, which also collapsed, and those people are still waiting on refund. So it's been 6 months now, and those people are still waiting on refund. That's another Melehea's group. Number 16, it's Breaking Bread. That was run by Michelle Suka. That also collapsed. And she has 4 admins. Yeah? So check out all the face on my Facebook, all the snake head and the fish head and all that, and see if those people are in your group that you had given money to. Breaking Bread, Michelle Suka, she ran that group, and they're number 16 on my list. Okay, number 17 is just a group that I had last week that was complaining, and that group is still running system. I still need to check out this group, whether they're running through pyramid scheme or not. But that group is Blessing of Gifting, and that group is running by Vao Hair Offer, and he has 2 admins. So that's Blessing of Gifting. They're still running, but apparently they already collapsed. But they're still trying to do another system to you know how it works. If the first one collapsed, then they're gonna try and do a 500 one, like Melehea. And if that one collapsed, she's gonna do a 100 one. And all Melehea's boat has all collapsed. From her 750 to her 1,000 to her 500 and to her 100. It's all collapsed. Okay, sorry, she's having a poor connection there. Yeah, so you guys be smart and you play the games, because at the end of the day, it's our turn now. It's our turn to play the games, and we need to have justice, and we need to you need to all come to my meeting on Tuesday, the 29th, from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. If you need more information, it's on my Facebook where we're gonna meet. It's gonna be in Papatoe Methodist Wesley Church, and you can come there. Number 39, I think it's Colma Road in Papatoe. The Wesley, you can park at the back of their parking. I'll be there waiting for you guys to attend. So yeah, if you haven't belonged to a group but you want to support us Tongans and the non-Tongans in our community that has been affected with pyramid scheme, you're welcome to come and help us out. You don't need to pay any fees or anything, but yeah, we would appreciate all your help. Go back to my live later and check out all the names and all the numbers and the groups that that I've listed here. The number 18, let's give it to Toki Tupe, New Zealand. Number 18 is Toki Tupe, New Zealand. They still their admin is Ana Fonua and Ofa Siasau. That group is still operating in Otara. And I can tell you that group is Pyramid. That group is registered 2,500. Oh no, sorry. Tongi Tupe, New Zealand. Tongi Tupe in Hawaii has collapsed. Tongi Tupe in Australia has collapsed. And I'm gonna let Tongi Tupe, New Zealand to collapse too. Yeah. So that Tongi Tupe, New Zealand is the only one that's still giving up. Promoting and bringing people in, but I'm sure next month they'll collapse, because there'll be no more register. People are not gonna come in to pay their 4,500. Toki Tupe system is and platform. You pay 4,500, and in 3 weeks you will get 2,000. You will get 22,500. Okay, and that's for one tupe. Okay, 1 tupe or 10 tupe. I don't really know. But the register For Tongi Tupe is 4,500. So I suggest you guys don't go and join this group because it's pyramid. They're going through the same platforms, same system, and people and to get in order to get your pay, in order to get your pay, it's going to be the other people's register money to pay you. The pyramid works from like that, and then you pay up the top, and then down the bottom, it's going to be all the people that those people don't know. So all the people that all the people that don't know you, they're not your friends, they're not your family members, you're the one who's going to sink. So the system is they're going to design a board, and then everybody will come in and pay their register, and then some of their families, they just come and get the spots. They don't pay any register fees. They just come, sit there and grab money, and that's their spot. They're taking somebody else's spot that has paid for register. Yeah? So that's how it goes. Yeah? So yeah. Go Leka Davy. You go and have a break and it doesn't matter. Tongi Tupe, Tongi Uto, it doesn't matter. They all pyramid scheme. We need to shut these pyramid people down. Pyramid system. It's not legal. It's not legal in New Zealand. It's not legal in Australia. It's not legal in Tonga. It's not legal anywhere. Money laundering. It's people just wanting quick cash. They should go and find a full-time job. Don't let these people steal from you ever again. Get your mind sorted. Go and put your money in the bank and don't let them steal from you again. Leka Davy, no, I'm not obsessed with Biane. I'm not a lesbian. Why am I obsessed with her? Go and get some education, please. Okay? Okay, so that's all the group. That's all the group that Davis Leka Davy, no, I didn't steal Liwa Manu's money. Yeah? If anybody of Liwa Manu's group are here and they reckon that I stole Liwa Manu's money, then you put your name up there or you go and put a head for me. Yeah? You, Leka Davy, if you have proof that I stolen Liwa Manu's money, then I'll see you in court. Yeah? Why don't you just send me your address and you can be in my list? Okay, so I've done all those groups for the non-Tongans and share my videos, please. And I still want you guys to support me. Thank you to all those who have supported me, who has come through. Okay, te tau ki lele, te osi aya te whakamatala ke kaupalangi, te tau lele whakatonga lewa, Tau lele le whakatonga lewa ki whuhua half hoa pe, ke ngā ke mahino ai mea katoa koina nau whakamatala koina ki kaupalangi, ki mea kaupalangi, Okay, ko whakawhetai ki o tua, ko ngā ko ne ngahi tokoni, mo ngahi ofa ko toa pē, ne whai mai ke tau mo ui o tau au sia mai aho koeni. Aho whakawha ofa koeni, ofa pena mo mau ha sapate lelei, mo ha sapate kles mo whanki family. Ko whakawheat pe mo tolu ke mo whanau mai ko ki laivi ko eni, ko ngā pe ko tau kei tala noa pe he whonga li paanga, pa mo ka kai na nau kai e tau paanga. He ngahi kulupu koin e taha walu, nau hanga koin o ku whai mai launga koin e si kakai ka nau tolu, e nau kei tali wahe, Okay, koe whika taha, nau hanga lewa o atu ka liwa manu, koe LM2 ia construction, panai admin a liwa manu e ua. Ko whe mau ka pau ki hao mo complaini ka liwa manu, mo tuu mai whika liwa manu koe whika taha, Whika taha lewa ulu ngatai a liwa manu e whika taha, Liwa manu ia whika LM2 construction, nei whai ne lesi si tahe ha monga takeaway. he ha monga takeaway ai ko na he I otahuhu. Okay, tau ki lele pe ko elisi o tahavalu pa ulahi fanki ute mea ko fe mau ke fralele ya ka ke frataha mo ngai mea ko ya fika wa leva ko melehea mo hei mishea ko na kulupu ana ko lele vave pa na etmenika enti pa mo kulupu na ko yongo etmenia hei mishea ko kulea ko ufika ko eni ko kola ke mo tolu mo tohi mai leva ufika ko ni me taha ke tahavalu ai ngai kulupu ko ni te ulawa tu pa mo tohi mai leva pa kia mo launga mai ke ngai kulupu ko ni pa mo tohi frafika mai pe unga no leva ku ngawe no leva ngawe pule anga te tau al frafike fika pe unga ke tau ilo kulupu ko mo kulupu ko to ko lai frafu ka kai mo kai kulupu. Okay, fika tolu leva te tau ai leva kapiane kalia oi ofa o ka pau ko etmen apiane ko ko toko fa o ka pau na mo kau he kalia oi ofa fika tolu apiane he kulisi ko tapa advance apiane ko piane o ke te ha de kulupu taimini ko te ne group chat pa ko ke te lava piane refund taha pa ko kola ke mo tolu o ka pau ke mo ngai receipt mo mai mo ia ke whakataha he atu site ke unga ke claim mo seniti ke tau ilo leva e kakai ko na hange piane ia mo ne whanau o kai in au paanga. Ai ko piane u fika tolu fika fa te tau ang leva ka beautiful flowers ko beautiful flower mos mea ipe ko lita in a beautiful flower ko say la peti pa ko et meni toko ua toko ua pa ko let's say la peti ne o si ngoto ene vaka pe a te alu pe ai kakai ko ni o te hange ola manu o fotu ene vaka ya ana me vaka ko na ala peki a sei la peki pa ko kulupia ko ya ne te fotu ia e ola manu ai malo liwa manu ko tapuaki meilangi tapuaki meilangi ai kulupia ko ya ka te tawa o peki ai Okay, kulupu ni ma ko kulupu lai tahai ni ko ni e ku ngawe ko kulupu Tolosis Limited ko Tolosis Limited mo melia meilangi na whakataha pe ai ngawe ke kulupu ko ni he fonga he kaka mo fonga he kaka mo fonga he perimeni mo fonga he perimeni. Yeah, thank you. I'm trying to do Tongan in English. But yeah, all good. Io ai ko kulupu na Tolosesi ko ilo pe lahi kakai ma ko to tahafe Tolosesi na ke talivahe na ke talivahe au pito pe kakai ko ini ai kulupu Tolosesi ko kulupu Tolosesi na hang he tahine ko tia fine on hang o lesisi te kulupu Tolosesi January he wafe uataha pa na whakalele lewa ungai kulupu ko ni o fe kaya pea mo melia meilangi. He nau whale kolua koe na melia meilangi o mo ko whata paanga ki tonga mo whakatau kolua whakatonga me ai. Ai koe kulupu koe ni pa ne te aipe nau ki i whale he tawhaki ko i ngā koe ne te aipe nau ki i whale tawhaki ko i ngā koe ke nau te lele e nau whonga li paanga koe ni ka koe mea pango pe koe whale koe ni ko os whai ake whale koloa e simi pa mo malisa una os ai na whale koloa os ai u koa mo u lolo mo ngai mea koe ni whongai e na kai e paanga e kakai me January na fotu whale koloa aki pa ko mea i pe mahalu koe pa mo te tokotaha ko Sophie ko Luisa mo ukakai ko na moko at ka mo paanga ko futoko hi vaeni hongo fulu ake na CEO ko tia fine ko ta ko pehatu ko CEO ko hinga ko toko tahaya na ne fai ko ai kamata ko ai hingoa e Tolosesi na alo fai le siste taloi pa to ku mai leva ai kakaya ko in etmeni ai asi mai ta ahoni o ku nau hanga na toluia o fekeke aki holo pe ko haina aluia mo paanga ai kakai ai ko group Tolosesi fika ni mai mo katak fa mole pe o tala mai u fika pe ai u fika me taha ke taha valu ai ngai kulupu ko ini ko hinga ke ilo leva mo launga mai o kapa ya tahe launga mai ka melehea ai kulupu lele vave katak fa mole tu mai fika wa ke nga ke ilo ko launga ka melehea pa mo lima fa nga mea mo tu ma mo kulupu ai kalupu ko ina ke nga ke fa ngofu ai nga we Koe kulupu fika ono, ai koe kulupu fika taha, ko liwa manu, kulupu fika ua, ko melehea, kulupu fika tolu, ko piane mafileo, kulupu fika faa, ko sei lapeti, kulupu fika nima, ko Tolosis Limited, Sophie Talakai, pia mo Tia Fine, Malisa, mo ukainga Ofa, Olivia, mo Patisa, mo ngai kau et meni ko ia, Foi toko hiva ko ia pa mo nau CEO ko Tia Fine. Koe kulupu ono ko team pai ni, Ta hoko ke team pai ni, koe kulupu ko ni na whakotu e sione havasi, na whakotu e sione havasi, ai kulupu ko ni o pole ki ai lewa a lili ani, he meni mo kina, pa mo ne kau et meni toko wha, ko sesi tonga, pa mo kau et meni ko ia, ka ko sione havasi, na ne hanga set up e sistemi, pa whakalele le vai e kina. O le sisita mai kakai, pa koe mako toko tolu ngea weni ku o singoto he waka koe ni, pa o koe ke taha group chat ia ke nau whai hasi whenga ai kakai ka kina, pa mo i kakai koe ni nan hanko set up e sistemi, Ok, fika o no lewa team pai ni, fika fitu koe Princess of Flower, whakalele he Florence Hansen, mahalo peho no api, nan whakalele ai kulupu ko ni, Florence Hansen, he Beautiful Flower, o ka pau kia kakai, o mo ke ngoto, pau tia ki atu e Florence Hansen, mo paanga, kau ko mo rifani, pa mo tok ai melewa fika fitu. Pe te motoko mai pe ke whakatahe tu si te o tala mai ho mo ngahi kulupu o ksai pe moia pa mo o mai mo ngahi RCT ke unga ke photocopy ke tau ave ke pule anga o nausio o kuai pe mo evidence o kuai pe mo ngahi RCT o ku koe mea kokola ke mo tolu o mau inga o pito ke mo tokoni mai ko inga o mau inga ke mo o mai ho mo ngahi RCT te mai ma fanki u mea mo fe ma o ke tokoni mai ke unga we ko inga ko fonga pia e lavai he pule anga fai hanga we ke kakai ulu ngata ulu feke ko ni na kai pa anga I like VCT ko like VCT ko pa anga ia pa pa ki ka like VCT a ko pe ka le ki ha proof ko ia na watu ha pa anga pe na ke ange ko ka na tolu ha pa anga yeah. So, yeah, that's fine. Tau ai lewa Princess of Flowers, fika fitu, koe fika walu, koe fe taki nima, koe kulupu ia a whale ako, pepa, pa moene family, ai fe taki nima, whale ako, pepa, mo e leva pepa pa mo na tahine mele pepa na et meni he kulupu ko ia Okay, okay, kulupu ko ia. Okay, fika hiva leva, te tau ai leva ko love home, ko ki kulupu ko ni na toki mea I peki ai he mako weekend e tolu ai ki kulupu ko ni na whakalele ia he o matua, malo pe mena riwa, ko ki kulupu ni na toko mai pe laun ki ai, ko motua ko ni ko Kilioni, pe momoana masima. Kilioni pa momoana masima, ko fika ia I love home, ko fika hiva lewa ia. Ai ki kulupu ia ko ia, o ka pao ki hataha o ku nae ngoto, pa ke tali wahe me o matua ko ni, ka tako fetu taki mai, o ka pao o ki ahe o mungai RCT, mo mungai mea, pe o ka pao o ku mo fe mao ke mo launga. Ko te mea ko e taha, o ka pao ke mo fe mao mo toluia ke mo launga ke kakai ko ni, ai kakai ulu feke me ulu ngata ko ni, pe sai pe ia. Mo nofo pe mo toluia, o ke mo launga mo toluia, mo sa mo to whakamole mole e kakai ko ni, he nau ave mo paanga, pe a osi lewa. Koe whaela u launga ko ni, koe u kulupu koe ne taha ke taha walu, koe u kakaya na nau o mai ho mo ulai tā, kakaya na nau whai ko complain. Nei kike u alawia o kumi ha ho mo ulai tā, pa nei kike u ala kumi ha whaunga ke kumo mo tu asila, mo ngai mea ko ia. Ai ko kole atu o te mo ita mai mo tolu ka au. He? O te mo ita mai o te mo kape mai mo toka au. Inga koe ko au ia nau kai ho mo paanga. Pa koe ko au ia nau alato fotu e sistemi. Pa koe ko au ia nau mau mo tolu. Koe kakai ai ko na nau mo kai ko nau paanga. Ko nau tolu ia whai mai launga. He, o kai ko familia ko fai mai lau ngā. O kai ko whamahenia oku. Koe kakai na nā to hua to mou ngai kulupu koe no ngoto. Ai fu toko tolu wafe koe ni tonga. Pea mo ni usila tau pepe mako o si ni mafe e tau lipa anga e. He ku fele u waka ku ngoto. Tau pehe koe fu waka e taha walu ko e ni. Paka pau na e huu kia toko taha afe. He u waka e taha walu ko e ni. Koe fu walu wafe kakai le vai. Pa mo si o leva e mau e nau paanga e. Mo si o leva ke lahi e nau paanga. Mo si o leva ke ngai mea ko toa pe. He? Koe ki oksai pea te wai pe ku laivi ko ngā o ku mooni pe ko ku laivi ko ni o whakatonga ka ku sai pea o lava pe o translate ai lea ia ko ni whakatonga ke lao pa mo nau ngau o whai iai pe toko tahai te la pe o translate so o te motokanga motolia ke whakapalangi ui ngā iai pe kakai ke nau whai e mea ko ia So, okay. Na tau hoka ke love home, ko kulupu ko ia, ko whikahiwa, ko ki loni, ko ki kilioni, ko kilioni, pa mo moana masima. Ai ki kulupu ko I love home. Tau ai pe whika ko ia, ko whikahiwa, Tau ai lewa ke whikahango fulu, koe kulupu ko ni, koe whikahango fulu, koe gifted journey, na ia pe launga mai ke gifted journey, koe kulupu ko ni, na whakalele e Francis Simone, pa mo Fred Halafihi. Francis Simone mo Fred Halafihi, Halafihi. Pakapau ia tahe he ulaivi, na kau mai ke ki kulupu ko ni, a Francis Simone mo Fred Halafihi, ke mo ki hu mai whai mai mo complain, o kapau ia mo whai mau ke mo complain. Pako kau et meni koe na kulupu koe na gifted journey, that's another group, that's run by Francis Simone and Fred Halafihi, with their admins of 4 people. We're doing number 10 now. I've got group from 1 to 18, enrolling parent. Tau ai lewa gifted journey ni ke number ke whika hongo fulu Okay, number whika taha lewa te tau ai lewa whika taha ke tahine ko ana hala e valu, ana hala e valu fonua. Ko e toko taha ko ni ko mea I pēna e whakalela ki ene sistemi ko ni he kei ki ahane whaunga o ange le sisita pe o anga risiti ke kakai ko ne toko mako toko nima ngeau na ngoto ne waka A ana hala le valu fonua pa mono mali mal ko mena keau na whai na perimeni sistemi ko ni na api pe Pako ana fonua o ko mea ipe o et meni moia ke toki tupe o nusilani pa mo ofa siasau. Okay, et meni ko na ana fonua, he? Na ton ke alu ko ana fonua o pay your other boat. Ka tuko te alu ko ia hekat ke toki tupe, na whai ku te ngoto mo toki tupe, pa lahi lewa o mo ua ko ke totong ke kakai, Okay. O tau whika tātaha, o se tātaha, e koe whika taha, liwa manu, melehea, piane, whika whā, beautiful flowers, whika nima, doses limited, whika ono, timbine, whika fitu, number 7, princess of flower, number 8, fe taki nima, number 9, love home, number 10, gifted journey. Gifted journey, and number 11, ana hala e valu fonua. She's number 11 on my list. Tau ai lewa whika taha wā, koe tuu kai ai Jose. Mahalo pe koe whika taha wā ia, nei whakalele whiwhine ko o la I o Leoni, tui ne toa, na ne whakalele ki kulupu ko ia, pa na iai pe tō tahana e launga mai, ka mahalo iai pe kakai na nau te launga mai pe, ko kola pe ka ke whinamotua koe ni tui na ke whakatua o kulupu koe ni na iui koe tui kai ai haosei ke contact mai ka te au koe no ke os ilo pe telefoni pa ke os ilo pe o liloni tui ne toa e ku Facebook ka ke taki tala noa he weekend pe malo. Fika taha tolu le vaia ko e tapuaki meilangi ko ki kulupu ko ni na whakalele he mali ko na aliwa manu ko na LM2 ai fika taha pa ko e tapuaki meilangi na te whakalele pia e ola manu ko e mali aliwa manu he na o mai me na waka me beautiful flowers a sei la meki o te hanga leva ola manu ia whakalele ai kulupu ko ni we on to the number 13 on my list. Tapuaki Meilangi, ran by Liwa Manu's wife, Ola Manu at the same premises at LM2 at Hamonga Takeaway in Otahu. Tau ai lewa fika taha mioka la pale, pa mo viliami la pale, mo katawha molo te tā mai ka te ao, mo ilo pek fika ke tau te tala noa, ke mao tau, ke tau whe tala noa lelei, o koe ke whe mao ke mo tā kape mai ka te ao, mo tā mai ka te ao, o tau tā noa lelei, ko inga koe hae uhinga nai tū ai ho mo tā, he Facebook pa mo kau mai ke kulisi, Okay, number 1 to 14 is done. Number 1 to 14 is done. Number 15, Melehea. Melehea also did a group on December 2020. Ko kulupu ko eni na te whakatupe Melehea he whonga lesisita ake fitungeau ni manoa. But to kau lewa Melehea o te aine for system i January or February. January he tauni ai ko mea na mau te ngoto ai ene tahawhe o kawa iau mo kua mano ko na mole ka Melehea. Pe te whakatupe Melehea ene ni mangeau, pe mo ne tola te au pa kua ngoto ka katoa uwaka e wha ko ia Melehea he ngahi ahoni. Ai ko Melehea na ia ene Edmeni ko Rosalini Mafi kau ngā toa whavalu, waha, ta ofa tofa waha, Rosalini, na o si loi pena ta ostala noa pe kau ke whaunga tu ako mo lai tā mo mali, pa koe ka ulungata koe na unau tā mai koe ka te au o whenga ke toi na uta mo ngai me, ki ko toi tā he, ki ko toi mo tā, o ngā mo tā mā kapi mai ka te au, pa mo blau mai na alokai e paanga Liwa Manu Melehea, o koe ke mo one ulau ia ko ia he, pa koe ke kea tako mo ulau ko ia, no taha pe, mo kumi mai ha kakai ke nau launga kau, ngā ka ukai e paanga e kakai ko ia he. Pa oska pa te ta, pa ai ata ku ulu, aku ia he mo Facebook ka, ko ngā ka ukai ke paanga Liwa Manu mo Melehea. Tu koe tai mahi no mo e whakahela. Ko maloia mo ita mo tolu ia he ku mao mo tolu mo kai paanga pa mo aike mo lea mai mo tolu ia ka te au e. He ko a leka Davy, he? Koe ke ataka koe. Malo ko piane na o leka Davy. O hu mai te volo ke live Ngā koe ke ataka mo tolu. Koe ke really fia ataka mo tolu. I don't care about you. You guys, koe ke really fia ataka mo tolu katkatoa. Okay, tau ai whika taha no, o se whika taha ini ke taha nima. E kulupu ko ni mo te foki pe ke live ko pau ke mahene at ka mo tolu ho kulupu o mo kau ki ai mo foki ke live pa mo se live pe ko fe kulupu o mo kau ki ai ke mo tala mai fika mo ngai me ko ya ko tau meeting ko ne fai he aho tu site tau meeting ko ne fai ko ne aho tu site te tau tala noa whakawhike whika pe, ke unga ke tau alu pe whakawhike whika. Tau alu whakawhike whika pe. Pakoe ukakai kona u text mai kona e polisi mo mea. Mo wo o kumia polisi. Ko piane na ne tala e aweo he polisi. O whakahu. E o mai ne loea. O teke ki o maha tae loea. O stu lia ngā we. Mo ngai mea ko ia. O ko kei ngā we pe awia. O ko kei nofo pe awia ngā we. Pa ko kei nofo api. Pa ko kei hola o la ngā ko mo polisi mo ngai loea. Tuko e tae mahi no piane. Alu ko kumio loea loi. Ai mai risiti loi mo ngai mea. Ko hea mea mo ita e maa wau ho mo kaka. He? He fukakai valu afe. Porque fukakai ono afe koni New Zealand mo Tonga mo Australia mo potu ko toa pe. Fukakai o mo ko mohe po uri e whakau kona ki ka ulu feke koni mahale toko ono noa Fuka ulu feke toko ono noa mo ulu ngata mo ulu ika mo ulu mea kotoa pe. Fukulupe ne taha walu. Mo lau hifa na lau hifa ane nai koe fukau ulu e ono noa. Kakai tonga katoa pe. Kai ki aha muli, pakapau teu kau he kulupu ko ia, mahalo ko au pe teu muli, he ka ulu feke katoa ko ena. He? Ka ulu feke katoa ko ena. Mo ai atu au ke fika ono noa, ono taha. Ke kau atu au he ka ulu feke. He? Ke mahino lewa tau tala noa, O ko tokone au ke kakai, he? Ko ki kulupu ko ene ko e fika taha fitu. A blessing of gifting. A va a o hea. Va o hea ofa. O glahi ho tai mahi noa koe page, Ho wha kohi mai ka te au. O kai ka polisi au, pa o kai ka loe au. Pa o kai ka ulesi sita aku ia ke wala hai o puka aku holo, Ka pau ko whialpa to tonga holo, o uki mai haku whakataha, lava pe au. Ko ia? Lava pe au, inga kuiki kau maha mo paanga mo tolu ai mo mea. Pa o kuiki toko ni mai ka kai lesi sita o mea. O te ai kuiki kau ko whekumi lesi sita mai ka te au. Alu ko whenga o kulupu koe na ngoto, ke totonge kakai koe na o kulupu koe ko ia. He? Ko ia, ko kole atu ke kakai koe na kulupu aliwa manu, pa mo kulupu koe na mele hea, O kulahe tala noa kakai o pehe na o kai paanga koe na mele hea, pa o te kai paanga koe na aliwa manu, Mo ki kohi mai ulaivi, o tala mai mo oni, He koe mo onia kakai, ko awia na tokoni o aya na foisea. Ko awia na ate use niti o atka na tolu ngiawe ka muli ke ngake na hu ke kulupa liwa manu. Ko mele hea ko awia na hanga whakahu si kakai o na ma masiva pa kike ma na resisita. O ma ngoto e fu set spoti ake wa no ngoto ni mangiawe. Tau ai pe mai no kike loya hanga me. O kakai ko na aliwa manu pa mo mele hea na fai ngawe mo tolu mo lea mai ki loto he laivi ko eni ke ilo e mamani o ne kike kaya paanga taha Pakapai kike mo hanga supporti mai au he mo oni pa mo totonu pa o te mo te e kele ke te fa ngawe kapai ma mai tau paanga me liwa manu mo me kike te ata mo seni. Mo ho mai ki loto. Ai kulupu ko na lele vave pa mo liwa manu. Pena o kai ha mo seni ti pe ikai. Faka hela. Sai peia mo falolo pe mo tolu ia, kike ke au ia. O tua peia, o afio hifo na kike kaya paanga hataha. Okay? No. Na kike kaya paanga taha. Kapau mo woku me lelei, Mo ku me ngai me lelei ke mo le aki kau, Mo wo koi timi tolo sesi, Mo wo mo tolo mo ku me lelei, mo sio ke eku page, pa mo sio eku vahe paanga e ono afe tonga, paanga e ono afe tonga, ke totongi ake e mo ua ai kulupu toleses, na ngoto e nau waka, he whanga whae i wawa uha apai mo tonga tapu, nau ave, nau taki teau ni manoa, pa hanga vahe. Ko nau asi pe vitio, asi kakai tonga ko ia, mo foki leva ke vitio, malo zapate whae, o mo sio, nau vahe toko taha na taha afe, vahe toko taha na ni mangeau, paanga tonga. Paanga tonga pa kono os vitio mai pe kakai, Os vitio mai pe kakai uvahi ko ia, O te mau tala o ko manu, pa o te mau tala o ko kai paanga, pa o te mau tala mo toha mea, Just mind your own business, because o keke ila mo tolu, pa keke ilo ko ia, So, mo tala mea o lelei, ka tuke tufi hole veve, pa tuke tufi hole ungai mea koe o kai koe ke tau mo i tau mo ui. O mo pe mo tolu ko ungawe ko ni koe whai kahai. Koe whai at ka mo tolu, A mo tolu koe na mo kei toi. O keke mo asi mai ki loto o tala maa mo hingoa, ke whai aka mo lau ngā. Mo ngai mea ko ia. Mo lima mo ulai tā, mo tala mai kau li paangai ko ini, kakai tali wahe ko ini, o ate ulai tā, ko inga ku, ko inga o ku o ate ulai tā, ko inga e asi hingoa aku ia, ate pe hingoa loi koe. O mo pe mo whai e mea tāu mo otua. O ka pau loi ka ngata ia mo ngahi ulu ngafeke ko ini, mau tu mai ka uli paangai ia tala mai mo ni. Mo tu mai mo tolia lea mai mo ni. Na whai ku mo pe mo hange pe mo tolia ko kakai ko nei ulu ngata ko ini. O tau fe mai mo ni, O tau fe mai mo ni e tau mo ui. O kai tau fe mai kaka. Ko kai tonga o lahi o mo hu loto. Too many two faces, eh? Mo hu mai ki he, mo lea mai ki he, mo lea mai ka te au, o ska mo lewa heke atu ki he. Lau atu ki he toko taha koe. O ka pau ke mo hu ma sapoti mai au, o ke fe maa mo tolu, te mo kaule mo tolu ka ulu feke mo ka ulu ngata. He? Mo avele mo ki se niko na nai mole, o mo wole mo ia, o mole fa mole ka kai ko na nai kai mo paanga. He? Stop being cowards. Cowards, hypocrites, two-face. E ka kai tonga ko na ulu ngata, pa mo fanki ka kai pe ke fai ko li paanga, eh? Ko maloia mo tuke ka kai ko ni ke na mai kai ho mo paanga. Ho mo si iwi na mo ngawe aki. Kai fai nga mea ko ia. Ko mo ia tau ki otua? No. Fe ma otua ke tau wolo tu pa tau fai mea fina ngalo lotu ko ia. Ke tau whanong ke umalanga pa tau whanong ke umea mo usiasi mo mea ke mea ko mo fai. He? He wea usiasi ko ke ngofu e li paanga. He? Una mo si ilo pe fongo ia ko hamena mo li paanga. He? Pa wea siasi wea kau kakai o kuna o si whanau whatongia. Ko fo ke ko awe fo loto ata pe, he? Pepe ke winda ki waine inu e tiona ne waine. He? Pepe ko alo Eva. O ko mo uita wa taina pe awia. Mo uita wa taina pe pa ko tui o tua pe awia pa ko fai pe fina ngale o tua. Nga ko mai o fa. Fe tokoni aki. He? O ke whameheka taha. Pa kui ka ala ai fa ulunganga ko vi kataha. Ke mamahi mai toko taha ko ka te au. O si ilo pe family ko to. Tahi ne tokoni au, eh? Yeah? So don't o te mohu mai hanko ki toki tupe, he? Toki tupe Australia alu ko ia lau mai ka te au. Kui ke ataka koe, ho lau mai ka te au. Alu ko ai lai tā pa ke lau mai koe tunga kapa veve mo ngai mea ko ia. I don't care. Yeah? I don't care. He ko ilo pe au ia, I'm not a rubbish bin. Pa kui ke ataka o tohi mai a Lesielis, whatever her name is. Io, koe mo odi pea, he? Gambling, eh? Koe perimeni koe ni koe fong he gambling. Tau pe koe gambling, eh? Koe gambling ka koe ne fai ke he pe, o ku tau op koe gambling ye, kasino tau puto li e tau panga pa osi. Ka koe fai ke pe gambling ye, koe ni koe fuka ulu ngata, na nau tuu mai mua, o tala mai nau sistemi, he? Sai oi ke kasino at kita mole te ua mano, pa te hau kita koto api o langa ulu ai pe, it's fine, no problem, he? Ka koe te alwatu, o weise e te taimi atu e te ua mano, mo te ni mangeau, mo te ua ngeau, mo ke te tolu ngeau, mo tole te au. He? O atu ke ka ulu ngata ko ni, pa nau tuu mai mua fai mai tangi. He? Nau tuu mai mua tala mai koe tapuakin me o tua, mo hu mai kakai. He? Kai whainga mea ko ia, he? Tuko e loi, pa tuko mo kakai. Pa ko whaia mo tolu, ka ulu ngata mo ka ulu feke ko ina. Ko whaia mo tolu ngai aho ni, tuko mo hola takai holo. Ko te hola holo ke ha. Nai ate kakai ko ni o ate nau paanga, nai kiki nau o nau tolu ia, nai kiki mo tolu ia tuli holo nau tolu, he? Nai kiki mo tuli holo nau tolu, na nau atu peke o mo meeting i, mo ngai api o ate nau paanga. Ko ngai aho nia, ko si kakai e ko nai si ate nau paanga le sisita, ko nau tolu ia tuli holo koe mo tolu. Koe ke mo tala mai o mo whetu, nofo anga, ko mo tu use o mo ngai telefoni, mo ngai mea katoa pe. He? Tu use ngai telefoni, tu use mea katoa. O si koa mo to e kakai me nau kulupu. Ko hai mo tolu. Ke mo kai e nau paanga pa mo te to nau tolu me ukulupu. Whanga vale kai paanga. Whanga paku, yeah? You got nothing. Io, tau whokat ke kulupu ko na meleheaf, kulupu tahani mai, number group 15 ni, ngā o te tau te tāno tō ka ulungata. Tau ai tato e mea ko ni ke mau, ke ngā ke whai tau ngau e tau toki ai, pa kui tau te tokanga tau tolu ka te ulungata pa ko te kakai, eh? Ko ose e tau tokanga ke kakai ko e ni kai paanga. Tau ofa tau toka tau tolu, pa tau whai tō ngā aue ke tau tūlelei tau tolu, pa tau ikuna tau tolu ha aho, eh? O koe ke tau te whimato ke tau lau ke kai paanga ko e nā. Moi kakai uto kovi ko e nā, o kei mui holo he kai paanga ko e ni, eh? Hange ko leka TV. Ke kei mui, eh? Ko wheku lupe na ke iai, eh? Maru nau wahe na tole manoka te koe, leka TV. Leka TV ko ha. O ka hingoa whakapalangi ko leka Davy. Alo ai ho hingoa ke totonu mai ke lava tanoa ka te koe. Ka tuko ai mai fake page. Ka pau ke lava hu mai mo hingoa totonu. You're nothing but a coward, eh? You're fake. A Davy, leka Davy ko na asi mai. Okay. Ai koe kulupu taha ni malewa melehea pa mo Rosalini. Kulupu taha ono koe Breaking Bread. Pa nai whakotue kulupu ko ni e Michelle Suka. Ai kulupu ko ni pa mo ne kau etmeni koe toko wha. Ang mo osisio I peke ulisi. O kau pe kau etmeni ko ni fo I toko wha ko e ni. He kulupu ko e ni fika taha ono, eh. Toi pe fo I ua pa tau osi, eh. U kulupu. Ai u taos ai kulupu taha, liwa manu, kulupu wa, melehea, kulupu tolu, piane mafileo, kulupu fa, ulu feke koe na ko sei, kulupu ni ma, ulu feke koe na ko Sophie Talakai, en tia fine, kulupu o no, ulu feke ko kina, sione havasi, fika fitu ko Princess of Flowers, fika valu ko Fetaki Nima, fika hiva ko Love Home, fika hongofulu ko Gifted Journey, fika tataha ko Ana Hala Leva Valu Fonua team, fika tahawa ko Tuukai Ai Haosei, fika tahatolu ko Tapuaki Meilangi, fika tahafa ko Mioka La Pela, La Pepa la ni mioka la pele mo Viliami la pele ko fika taha ia fika taha ni ma melehea pa mo Rosalini na fokotu he taimi ko na tisema he tisema wafe wanoa melehea ta kona na te iai po kulupe fitungiao ni manoa pa ke te ha fokotu o kulupe lele vave o ma ngoto ai auia mo kakai ko ni ko maloia o ha ngoto fitungiao ni manoa tisema te ha ko January o fokotu lele vave he okay crazy au pito Aki kulupu ko ya melhea mo Rosalini. But en mo Rosalini tuko o lele ya ko po wa melhea. Alu ko fra tau tupe tai min. Ko kakai ko no mai manu. Heke mai ki ilo pe ngote vaka melhea nei. Ngoto mo kakai he vaka melhea ka ke yo pe o fetakai atu ungai me ko me ko ya. Alu ko o fai hao te mea ko fai. And mind your own business. Eh? Yeah. Hoka tu le vai ni ka Josh mo lau. Fanga frase sele. Na mo popo ya mali e taimi ko lau ma piane ha mo ha. Ko no ko mo hoko mo tolia ayo. Mea Josh. It's all right. O ke fe ma ke tau tanoa kau ke mali mo ngai mea ko ya. Ko tau fonga tau tanoa he ni ko li paanga He ka leka Davies. O ke fonga ni ko li ko nai kalapu mo ngai mea ko ya. Ko tau li paanga o fai live ko ni Alo malolo ka feitu. Pau me apa alo nai kalapu strip to somebody. Okay, fika ta fitu ko blessing of gifting ko kulupu ko ni o ku whakalele pa ku kei whakalele pe motua ko ba o hea ofa pa menengo edmene to ko wai ki kulupu ko ni na to ka pe complain ki ai ka go o si ilo pe ko kulupu ko ni o ka pe meni o nga tala mai ko na gifted group ka go o si ilo pe na fonga ka la nga ko talo na tali vahe mai me February o te ke fa vahe pa mo maasi pa mo ngai fonga ko ya ngai fonga tatau pe he kau he ngai fonga tatau pe he kau u vaka ko ni nai ngoto ko tala pe me tatau ai pe mo me ko ya he io so what? Who cares? I can be with another man next week too. Yeah? Alo, fai ao ngau e sai. Ko lau mai na kau mai ngai mea ko na leka TV he ka lai lipa nga mo mea. Alo fai hao lotu, okay? Go and say a prayer and go to sleep. Aki mea ko na ko leka I don't know his name. Tau pepe leka whatever. Te toki whataki tāno a tā anai le kai. Okay. Ai koe whika tāwhitu koe blessing of gifting, koe kupu ko ia, koe kulupu ia e motua ko vaa o ha e a. Vao hea offer. Okay? Ko pau peke spela na whawhe ko kape ata ingoa taha. Ngā, you know. Okay, koe ki kulupu ia vao hea offer. Ko whakawhi atu koe, ka pau ke whiau ke meetingi. You're welcome to come ke meetingi. Ka ko kolat peka te koe, ki kaupe o respect e ki whakataha koe ne whai. Hapo whanoa, ka pau ki hao te pōpō mai ki whakataha koe ni vao hea offer. Ko kolat ki hao whakalea mai ka te au, ki ngā ke ta whetau laki he pōtu si te. Okay, tau ai le whikataha walu lewa, osi lewa e tau ukulupu, koe whikataha walu lewa, koe toki tupe New Zealand. Toki tupe New Zealand, ong nau kei whakalele pe, pa ong nau kei whai pe nau wahe, mo e nau lesi sita whaafi ni mange au, pa usai pe ia, ngā koe taimi pe koe te mo ngoto ai, pa te mo toko mai le ke whātu tokoni, ka koe hangi koe lau ko sanga peo whakatokanga kai mo tolu, ngā ko osi ngota Australia, osi ngota Hawaii, pa mo Amerika, pa mo ngai whaunga peni ai whiwhine kona ko tilila, koe ke whanonga ha mea sai ka tilila. Koe ke whanonga ha mea sai ka tilila, ne whai ha mea, koe mea pe ko whanonga koe ke whiwhine koe ni, pa mako, koe mea pe ko whanonga ke whiwhine koe ni koe money laundering pe, Koe ka ne ngā au koe ke whane mea pa popohi ka kai lahi, la lahi, Okay. O te mo te kokola ke kau sio mai koe ni, o te mo te weiso mo taimi a mo tolu ke mo ki kohi atu ka leka teivi. Mo whanau mai mo tolu ke tau laivi. O te mo tokanga atu mo tolu ke kakai koe na. Ka te volo koe na. Ma koe ulu wheke na piko hai hu mai mo ne ulu wheke ki heni. Okay, tau osi lewa te repeat atu lewa e u kulupu. Ke ngā ke mo te mea mai ki ai, Kulupu taha liwa manu, group 2, melehea, group 3, piane, group 4, beautiful flowers, group 5, dollars is limited, group 16, bind, group 7, princess of flowers, group 8, fair taki nima, group 9, love home, group 10, gifted journey, group 11, ana hala levalu fonua, group 12, tui kai ai hausei, group 13, tapuaki meilangi, group 14, Mioka la Belly and Viliami la Bale, group 15, Melehea and Rosaline Mafi Kau Ngaa, Tofa Vaha, that's group 15. Group 16, we'll give that to Breaking Bread. That group was run by Michelle Suka with 4 admins. And group 17, Blessing of Gifting. That group, Va'o Hea Offer. And group 18, last but not least, Tongi Tupe New Zealand Offer Sai Sao and Ana Fonua. And the CEO for that group is Dilila from the US. She's the CEO for Toki Tupe New Zealand. Still operating till today and still making payout, but through Parliament. Mahalo pe kumo osi ilo pe ufonga e perimeni, pak osi ai pe taimi ke mo ke utala te ngai fonga ke mo sio kono sai pa mo nelelei o kumo osi me ai pe uperimeni o ke whakalau ni usilani ka ko me apango pe ke tau mo ua tau toluia o ngā ko kakai ulufeke ko ni na nau mai ko o ai mai sistemi pa tau kawat le tau tolu ki ai so o te mo loto si mo mai ke whakatahai atu si te ko whakataha ko ia te tau whakataha lewa sio pe ko ha tau te ngau e whai ke tau lava enforce mo tau tokoni ke kawe meni ai commerce ke ngā ke ne whai hana ngā ue koe ke tau whē mau ke ate u complain ko e ni pa mo i kakai e na u complain ni ke hanga pe commerce o tuku pe ki puha o tau whē mau ke nau toa mai ki tua pa nau sio ke ungai launga koe no tau whai ke pa nau whai hanga ue ki ai ngā koe ke whakalao mea ko e ni ka ko mea pango pe kuna os tuku mai pe taimi ka tau tolu mo tau ngawe ke tau whai pa ko kolat ka mo tolu ka katoa hange pe ko whalai vi e kai ke mo ua hataha ia na moli ha nea paanga he lipaanga e fonga e sistemi kaka, fonga loi, fonga pyramid. E keike mo ua taha ia. Pa e keike ha loi ai i New Zealand, ten hanga whakafofonga ha ka ulu feke, ma ka ulu ngata, na nau whai e fonga ko eni. He, i New Zealand. No, kike ha pa e keike koe polisi, te muopo launga, ka koe civil meta ia. Ave le mo tolia o kuma mo loia, ke a mo tolo whakahu wau, ia au pe ia, O te mo to launga ko inga ko mo fonga lipaanga, mo whakahu wau ko inga ko ato mo laita ke Facebook ka. Ko net safe na mo launga ki ai ka ungata ko ina. Nga e talatu pe net safe ko criminal meta, civil meta nia, mo tolo av ke pulanga o a hopo mo tia inli, Ko pea ko os mahina ka mo tolu. Ai ka ulu feke ko ina, Ko ha mea koe mahina ne tolo ko ke no paheni. Ko ha mea ne lau mai piane, loi moia, Ko ha mea ne lau mai melehea, loi moia, Ko hai ne whai laivi he ngai aho ko eni. Ko tioni pe ne whai laivi. Ko wheefu ka ulu feke ko ena, ke mo teo mai o te laivi maha mea, ke te weiso mau taima hua taha, pa te mole mau paang ke aka ngau tolu. Ko whe mau tolu ke mau laivi mai, o kole whakamole mole mai ke kakai. O mau whakatō ki lalo ho mo ui. O mau whe mau ke mau laivi mau kole whakamole mole mai ke kakai. E nau wivi mo nau si kakava na nau aka ngau tolu, o mau kai e mau tolu, ia mo ngai family, mo ngai maheni, pa mo ngai mea ko toa pe. Na mo hanga ai sistem ko ni mahine ne nima, ho mo fotu e sistemi me ti sema, me novema he wafe wanoa, o lele mai ki sune wafe uataha. Ai fukakai ulu feke toko ono noa ko ena i New Zealand. Fukakai tonga pe. Mate pe tonga, tamatei pe tonga ai tonga. Iyo. O kai ko drug dealer nia mo mea. O kai ke wala mihia mea kona. He ko Aleka Davis. Alu, te hanga screenshoti ai. Te hanga li ai mea ko ni ke komresi Aleka Davis. Pa te ave ke komresi ke na hanga check up ho hingoa mo ngai mea ko toa pe. Ho harassment mo bullying ko ena o ke whai mai ka te au he pōni, Te ave koe ke hange pule anga whangau i ka koe, Alo whai mo ke whangau i lei Aleka Davis, ui ngā te hanga ave koe ke tau ki hopo, Ke ulawa sio ko mata, Kau sai pia weise panga aku ia, Ngā koe hingoa loi pena Aleka Davis. Alo lotu ke ate o tuaha loto lelei ka te koe ke tā mai ka te au, pa ke alu of liliwo hingoa ke hu mai ke Facebook a mo hingoa to tonu na ke whaelei mai aki. Alright? O te mo ai ke ita, Yeah, you are bullying me, You're bullying me because o ke haresi mai au he kulaivi, Aleka Davis, ku ke lau mai ungahi mea kau ko kumali, ke lau mai lahi mea kau ka te au, osi ko ia, ko laivia ko ni, ko laivi ne ke lipaanga. Ko mea ke harese ko au. Ko mea ke harese ko au. Pa mo, tu ke whatala ko haresi mo tolu. That I'm harassing you, pe te bullying mo tolu. O koe ke wala tā whahia mo api pe te ake tau fuhu. Ko e hingai harassment ni, O koe ke harese ata mo tolu he tu ato mo lai tā. Pa o koe ke bully ata mo tolu he tu ato mo lai tā. Mo o tangutu, aia mo ki foi wai ne mo mea pa mo whakau ko ha mea tu ata mo lai tā. He ngai ah ko ne fu toko tolu ono noa ko mo tolu. O ke uhinga tu ate lai tā na ata papele mai mo tolu. Na uhinga tu ate lai tā nga mo kai paanga. O mo money laundering. Na mo fotu e ngai li paanga he fonga hala, fonga tai totonu. Fonga kaka, fonga kai e iwe kakai. Koe mea tu ata mo ngai tā. Pa koe tu e lai tā ko ia, koe pule a ngai ai. Koe pule a ngai tene whai ngau iki ai. Pa koe net safe tene whai ngau i ka au. Koe tō whia ne launga mai net safe. Tō whia ne tō ai Facebook a. Ko mo ulaunga koe nau whai. Tu koe o launga holo. He ku sio fo pe ai puli angai ke Facebook ka o ku ma pe makatoya. O koe ke kape ataka ta au ke live. O koe ke kape ataka ta ka muka ulu feke muka ungata ko ina. He? Pa koe ka puli pa koe ka harassment ya. Mo wo take responsibility ko mo mea ko na fai he afio e o tua pa ko mea tu wa mo fonga fu uta he ngai ahoni. Unga na mo wifo ifo mo vahe taimi koe. Ifo mo whakatau mea lele. Ifo mo kai fale kai. Ifo mo mohe pe motole pongpongi. Keke moto tuha ke pongpongi o ngā we. Ka koe aho ni ko ngata. Ko ngata e wa inga pa uki ke te fiata e fe wa inga he fong ake loi. O klaka ke mapento wa inga e kasino He kumahino ange kasino ia. He mao wa inga o ate pa anka mo tolo mo fonga tangi mamele he aia mo ngai mea ko ia. Ko te atu pe ke whakamahino a te pere meni, ko uhinga e pere meni, ko hataha o ka pau o koe ki hanga i kulupu ko ia e ato mo product, pe tena o ato mo contract, mo siu hefe o stamp aka e lesisita o New Zealand ni, pa mo ilo lewa koe kulupu lo ia. He, hange koe tala koe na e toki tupe o nau lesisita. O koe ki nau lesisita nau tolu, e toki tupe. Unga kika na lesita na toke na fai fo nga lilipa anga i New Zealand. Ko ha me ngoto ai e fu toko ta fitu ia ko eni e toko ta ni ono ko eni o ngoto u vaka ko eni pape toki tupe de lesisita New Zealand auto. Ka ke lesisita u kulupu ia ko eni. Come on, use your common sense. He? Aia ko te mea peke mo toka ngāhi, ka pai te ia kakai una te promote ata u ngai kulupu mo mea. Mo katak fa mole mole kakai tonga. Ku osi ngoto e kakai New Zealand. Futo kakai toko fiha. Mole mo upaanga. O te mo te oli paanga. Ku tau osi ako me mea ko ni, pa tau fai lewa mea o totonu, pa tau ilo le mea o kovi, pa mo mea ko oksai. He? Unga koe ka whanki kau leka tau tolu. Na nau pehe koe kau leka ka tau tolu. Na nau hanga manipulate o tau ata mai. He taimi koe tau si viviri holo ke tau ato li atu ai ua mano a akuia ke ngā koe ku sio ke kahau mo ku ki api. He? Aule si kakai o li e nau si paa ngā koe nau madi nau whanau. He fo imahina e taha. He? Koe si kakai na nau whemai nau mea lele. Ungahi hope ko ya, ungahi mea ia koe na nau si whaka amu ko ya, ku hange ka ulu ngate ko ni o kai kat katoe ungahi mea ko ya. Mo nau whaka amu, mo nau whanki family, Iyo, ko ia mahalo pe ko ki mea pe ko ya, tau ki lele, ko sione havasi, ko si o lahi a koe ni ukulupu. Na alanga sione havasi o tokona ke mau kulupu lele vave. Alo he sione havasi o tokoni ke tim pai ni. Mana alo tokoni ke fe taki mo ni ma. Fele sione havasi ukulupu ke alko fotu o tai hol. Ai tau peta tol ko fu ngata o pito pe ko ya. He ko koe na ka o mai o sistem ko na me Amerika o fotu ai New Zealand o mangoto he aoni. Okay. I think mahalo pe ko osi ko ya ku osi. Kona was tu at pe tau meetingi ko meetingi ko eni kakai ko meetingi o ko fu fie ma o ke mo tokoni mai me community o ka pau ke mo lipa anga ai usiasi mo ngai kakai kona na ke mo si lipa anga mo mai ke meeting ko eni o tokoni mai si tokoni mai ka au pa tokoni mai ke si kakai masiva ko eni mo fie ma o mo tokoni. Koe ui ngā, koe ngāwe, koe ni, koe ka ngāwe. Whai ngō fua, ka te ao. Ka kou kōle hat ka mō tolu ka kai tonga. Mō tokoni mai he ngāwe koe ni. Koe ui ngā ku pau pe ke ave ka kai e koe ni. He nā nau hanga o ka kai toko lai. Na nau hanga o kakai nau tolu pa nau hanga o kakai nau tolu ngai founga tai fe unga mo tai tau. Pa ku pau pe iyo Leka Davis iyo E toho kulai mata ui ngā pe koe fifine ofa Tionly, okay? Koe toho kulai mata koe ofa ke kakai na mo makai e nau paanga, he? Pa koe toho koe ngā koe kakai tonga ni na nau kai ho mo paanga, he? O te te lea mai koe ki heni. Mal koe fine motu ai nau whamea. Ke utangi au ngā koe molo i kua mano. Halang me mama, lava peti o nia mai ni wa mano, Alo ko whai hao ngau mea. Don't come here and interrupt my app. Aya kakai ko kolat ki mo tolu, Mo loto lahi, mo tokoni mai ke mausi ngau e koe no ko whai. Ke unga ke au ke atu si te ke fono e whale, Fono e whale, pa tau ilo leva, sio mai leva pa oska pa te tau lava leva whai tau laka, O toi sipe, ko tau whakataha, pa tau palani leva ke whai tau laka, E ku kakai ko no family mo whanga friend, mo wo mai o popo i mai au. Mo mai ke whakafone holo, ke tau toko tolu ngeau, pe nima ngeau, pe tolu ngeau. Mo mai ha whaunga li paanga. Mo mai ha whaunga li paanga, hange ko tau whao koe ke uholo, o tau li paanga, mo u live mai a melehea, mo kakai koe ni, ulu feke koe ni mo nau kaka. Kau sai mo mai mo tolia ke whakataha, u ngau koe ke kai paanga ui, Pa koe ke peata ke mo mai ma mo resisita. O stotongi pe tione holo, mo wo mai he fitu, ke hongo fulu, ke whale apsiasi koe nei papatoe, Wesiliana, mo mai ki ai o ke usio atu o mo tokoni mai. He o ka pau ke hau hakakai, pa ko au pe ia maki i whaahinga, pa te wongo i lewa o ke aunga i ngawe, Pa te whakaukau lewa e pa mako e mea pe ko ia ke tuku ate kakai e ko nina kai ho mo paanga ke nau ke nau ona tolia o kai e nau paanga para to fia ki ka whatau te ka nau tolu, Mo tokoni mai me osi pe ngawe. Koe fu mahi nei ne ono e ku ngawe. Pa koe ke whai ngata e koe ke whai ngofu e ngawe koe ni, Ko au toko taha pe ko hanga whakalelei u kulupu. Ko au toko taha pe whai launga, Kau kia pe kakai he ta whaki. O e pe ka ulu feke ia me ulu ngata koe nana mo toho mo ngahi video, pa ke maha mau evidence, ke maha mau video. Na, o tua, o nehanga pe o lima e pe u mea everyday, Ke whai ake ku ngawe, ke unga ke mau ikuna u kakai walu wafe koe ni, na e kai he fuka ulu feke koe na e toko ono noa e mau paanga. Okay? Ko koe fifine loto lahi au ia, okay? Tau tuku lewa ngai mea katoa, ke atu si te, pa pau te iaha mo te whehui, kau ke refund me ngai mea koe mo claim, tau tuku pe ke atu si te. Mo tō ma mo whanki receipt, ai mai folder, mo tō ma mo whanki receipt. Ko mo paanga ia, ko mo paanga like receipt. Ke usio ke lahi receipt, ai kakai mo mea koe ia. Ka ko whakamalo at ka mautol ko pepe ngata e tau ki live was mahino e tau mea katoa pa na osi tala tu pe te iai whakataha pe ko whemau ke whai ulaka pe ko whemau ke hae TV News ki ai pe ke laka ke unga ke tau alu mo TV News ke unga ke sio mai Commerce New Zealand pe mo ufonua o New Zealand ni pe mo ufonua mamani ke sio mai Hawaii sio mai Australia sio mai a Amerika, ke si kakai koni na ngoto na uwakahe na ufonua ko ia. Te nau sio mai ki tauhanga popo iha mea lelei, mo mea ke nau sio mai si kakai koni Australia, o ngoto he toki tupe, ke nau ona to whai laka. Ai mai hataha une lava lea mai ke si kakai koni ke taki ia. Ko Hawaii iena, ofat ka te vita, si whai mai live ko na kau ke toki tupe. Mo uka kai ko toa pe mamani, mo si lotu mai ka te au. Ko ilo pe ko whalau pe mo whanki tohi kohi mai ka te au. Pe mea pango pe ke lava tali whakatonga atu, ko foi ofa atu pe, mo malo apito toko ni. Ka koe ko ofat ka mo tolu, tau lotu pa tau tuko mea ke otua, pa mo si kakai ko mo tolu mo lotu mai. Tau ai kai ke mea koe ni, he koe mea koe ni, koe mea whaka ofa, ka pau te tau ikuna ngai mea koe ni, pa ilo lewa ka kai koe na, ai koe na nau kai koe na mo paanga, ke tau wau ke kakaha ulelei, pa ma o tau loto pa tau ilo nai fai lao hono fatongia ke kakai ko ni aya ko ofat ka mo tolo no kotoa I wanted to ia ko fema pe ke share te ki ko ki tohia ko ni no whakapalangi mai ki te lava whakatonga ka te te tohia pe ki tohi ko ni e to ta ko ni na si mamahi nga ko kulupu ko ni ai timpai ni na fai ene na fai ke ni si feinga pe hange timpai pai ni o ke si vahe ia ko mahalo ko tau ai pe ko lau ai si to ta ko ni na ne fai ko ne complaint na iti sema pa ku na lahi kakai na kiki yai ha na u refani pa na hange kulupu ko ni o take advantages ai kakai ko ni na viable ai kakai ko ni na hanko ave ko na tau upaanga ko taimi ko lockdown ni kakai na mos me pe New Zealand na si fele kakai na mole na ungawe fele kakai na kike na te mauhanga we fe he taimi ko lockdown ni ko taimi ko na huai ka ulu feke ko ni o fai ko na ungai kaka he taimi ko mau lockdown ni ngai me ko ya pa ko to ta ko ni na kike lava totonge ne mo ua pa fu mama he apito to ta ko ni pa fe mai to ta ko ni ki ave ka ulungata mo ka ulfeke ko ni ki plisone ke fe tu ke na wo mo ta wo ka to ape ko tai mi ko te ta hopo ai te mo sio mai pe ka te au pa mo ka kulupu te ta wo hopo ta wo fu hui fale hopo ke ta ilo mo oni pa mo totonu pa te ilo le vai mo oni ilo le mo tole ka ulfeke o na mo oni na ki ke ka pa nga li o man pe ni ka pa nga melehea ilo leva u kulupu e ka u ono noa ko ni e nau fonga na nau fai ko kolat ka mo tole ka u feke mo ka u ngata ko na mo ki has some remorse pa mo ki whakato ki lalo stay humble ngat de malapi mo to fa mole mo tolu ka ko fa mole pa ke mo whakato mo to ki lalo stay humble pa mo wanga lele pa o te fa kape mo ma e ngai ulunganga ko ya patu ko manu patu ko te li os lipstick yo mo he ka fo o mo i ve kakai fo tu fale koloa ngai me ko ya mo ki slow down in la mo masiva pe tonga tu ko mo manu pa nga patu ke fie ha holo ke kakai mo teu mo me ko ya ka kai pa nga ko na kulup ko na tavalu okay. So I think that's it for me. I think everybody's sick of seeing me. But that's okay. Ka pau mo foi mo toluia e ku mo fasio mai ke live ka aunga te ke kakai aunga te ke si ka vai o nau sio he live o aunga ka nau tolu nga ku lava le fa palanga ka nau tolu pa nau mahino e ku lea ka nau tolu pa ko fie kakai ko ya fie si ka matu a tangata eiki fie ke ka vai ko ofat ka mo tolu no kotoa ko te live pe te aya te ngahi ngoa ki si ka vai mo tangata eiki mo si lotu mai ka te au he ngahi aho ko ni mo nofo pe ngai ai pe aho ma tau fu miliona ko nga ke vahe mo tolu ka vai ko ni nga na si hage ka ulu feke ko ni o kai ho mo faki panga le sita ako mo si panga pensoni mo nofo nonga pe mo tolu ya pa mo me pe mo fe mau ke mo lotu mai ke mau tolu ai si ngai kui ngai tamai mo ngai fa ko na ngau si di nofo api na si ka vai ko ke na si te lava o ka feitu mo me ko ofat ka mo tolu ko fe ngai ko ni e ke ka miliona ia pe ke ka paanga ia ten hanga o totongi aki e fonga na e fai he kakaitonga ko ni ke ma mo ui mo ni ma miliona mo me uingana na osana toto e mau amanaki o sto e mau falala me ngai tonga ane mo ngai fa mo tamai na nau kau he uli li paanga tai fe unga mo tai tau mo kaka ko ni na nau fai ma fonua New Zealand ni pe mo kakai pe Hawaii mo Amerika mo Australia
kakai tonga. Oku mamahi oku loto uinga oku mamahi aho moi po. Uinga ko mo fai ngaahi mea kon ke kakai ko ni na lima na ungla unga kai mo tolu. Ko mo kai mo fonga kaka. O mo tala te mo vahe au tafa. Te mo vahe au ataha. Ko ngaahi fonga ya ko ya. Pagu mo sang mo tolo to e mau amana ko to ape. Os to e melehea ia framu. Ko ku api os to. Pagu ke tokanga ke ku mano. Fua mano ke fupanga lah. Koe launga ko ni nau fai ko ni kaliwa manu mo melhea na ke fa ke unga ko paanga. Nau hanga ai ke unga ke ilo melhea mo liwa manu e na ngai fonga ko to apena e kaka pa mo ngai etmeni. A moana mo kina melhea kulupu pa mo enti ho mo ngai popo ina mo fai ka melhea mo no mali. He ngai ulu nganga tai fe unga ko ni. Pa go ofa taka mo tolu ko toa. Ka kai tonga me ngai klo tapa ko toa pe mamani. Uinga ko lea ko ni ko ka mea fai ngata. Ko lea ko ni ko nga ko ofat ka ngotolu. I like to leave if ki live ko ni ko pepe ka atau ki fola ko ni ko sione ngo fulu te right pe fra palangi and then I'll try and do it in Tongan. Sione ngo fulu, the thieves comes only to steal and kill and destroy. I have come that they may have life and have it to the full. He? Ai ko ki vese ni fra palangi sione ngo fulu. Na helpe kau kai ha ia ke o mai o kai ha mo tamate mo destroy. Kanau haa wia ko inga ke o atka mo tolu ha mo ui ha mo ui ha life oku fuoloa he ai ko ki vesi peia sione ngo fulu ko atu me ki live ko ni ki kausi kakai ko na hanga kai paanga ko ni o na mai o kai ha asi tau mo ui henga hi aho ko ni o tau pai ai pagi ke tau ilo pe ko fa potu ke tau oki ai ka koi laope mo sisu ko tau unga mea pe ke tau lotu ki ai ko ofa ke mo tolu. I hope to see all of you guys on Tuesday from 7 to 10 at our meeting. Ko ofa pe ke mo mai ki meeting ko ne fai au tusi te ke tau hoko te tau ngā we pa mo tokoni mai please e kakai tonga ko ena o ka pau na ki ke mo kahari paanga mo tokoni mai ki live ko ni e fai ki whakataha ko ni mo kau kulupu pe te nau tokoni ki whakataha ko ni he fika tolu hiva Koma road I papatoe siasi Wesiliana ko na I Wesley ko na I papatoe mo wo mai kakai ke mo support mai ngawe ko no fai pa mo si kakai ko ni nau ke toi mo nau wili fia ke nau hu mai ki loto ke nga pe ke kakai ko ni na nau kai nau paanga ofat ke mo tolo no kotoa. Have a good night and God bless. Malong. Yeah, thank you for watching Lupe Soy, Sharon Coca, yeah, whakamole pe koe ke whalawat your comments. Finau, thank you for watching. Tilila New, Stan, Fotu, yeah, thank you for watching. Leka Davy, alu lewa koia whai hao ngau e o kusai. Pake alu ko iau alu ko kape ko o mom and your sister and him whakamalo atu ka Sinai Jack malo si popo ko toa pe whai mai okay, hope everybody, let's get 10 millions on this live and share it and be proud of what you're sharing and stick to the people. Let's fight for justice, everyone. Let's go. Bye.